for she's the lady. Hi, good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Before anything else, may I greet first all of my subscribers who had helped me to grow in what I'm doing now. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Since it is almost Christmas, because it's November now, so I guess I'll focus more on making some dishes that would fit Christmas season. And today, I have a very special recipe that I believe you'll never find it anywhere, because of fried egg I made into a salad. I call it Christmas egg slaw salad. It is a thinly fried eggs with some fruits and of course some vegetables, playing with colors. There is red, there is something green, okay, and then tossed in a pineapple mayo dressing. By the way, if you're a first timer in our channel, I suggest after watching the video, please subscribe and also click the like button down there as well as the bell button down there so that you'll be notified for my next uploading and you'll be updated with all of my videos. To start, I will first make the crepes, the fried eggs, and then after the fried eggs we will make dressing and then we will finish the salad. Get it, guys? So without further ado, then let us start. Hey guys, we are now ready to make our thinly fried eggs for our salad today. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, these are our ingredients for today. 9 pieces whole eggs with finely chopped malunggay leaves and finely chopped red bell peppers, and to season our eggs is our mixed salt and pepper. Okay guys, we need a non-stick pan because we will be pan frying these eggs thinly fried for our salad later on. Okay guys, so we will start. Okay, we will now start with our egg with malunggay leaves. So next we will make our egg with the red bell pepper. Okay, this is just plain egg. Okay, or last. So, our 3 crepes are done. Here it is. Now we will just roll it and then slice. Okay, now we will start to roll our crepes, our egg crepes. So, goes like this. Here. Okay. Now we'll just have to slice it. So, our omelette. Okay, now we will start to make our dressing. We need 3 pieces egg yolks here, and then about a teaspoon of mustard, a tablespoon, yes, and then we'll just whisk it. We will pour our oil. So we will first make a mayonnaise. Okay, our mayonnaise is ready. Now we just have to season it with salt and pepper. And then we'll be adding this pineapple juice. Okay. So we can make it a little bit thinner with this pineapple juice. Okay. Pineapple juice is about half cup. No, 1/3 cup. Okay. So now it's a little bit thinner, but we'll make it a little bit more thin. But we will be adding vinegar. Okay. So the vinegar is there. A little bit only. To make it sweet, we will be adding sweeter. We will be adding honey. Of course, I have to taste it. So, our dressing is ready. Now, we will assemble our salad. We have sliced onions and julienne carrots, julienne apples, julienne red bell peppers, julienne green bell peppers, and pineapple tidbits, raisins, and also oven toasted peanuts. Okay, now we will start. We will put our eggs here. There we go. So that it will be well mixed. And then the rest of our ingredients. Our vegetable, our carrots, our green pepper, our onion is there. Okay. And then our apple. Okay, so that it will not get dark. Our red bell pepper. Our pineapple. Our raisin. And our nuts. Okay. Now we'll just have to toss it. And then we'll just have to spoon sauce in it. Okay. This is also perfect for Christmas. Okay. Some more sauce. Okay, our salad is ready. Now we'll just have to plate it. Okay. So guys, our Christmas egg slaw salad with egg, apple, pineapple, peppers, raisin, and nuts, and tossed in pineapple mayo dressing. Perfect to include in our Noche Buena festivities this Christmas season. Well, I believe I properly shown you how to make this kind of salad. The dressing that I made is another variation from what we call fruit-flavored mayonnaise. The last time, I used a mango puree. This time, I used pineapple juice. Thank you very much for watching and see you next video for another Christmas season recipe. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. God bless us all.